Hi guys, this is Sherwin Manang Kitchenette, nilagang baka, pinakbit, dinakdakan, pork and creamy mushroom, toge with tofu, menudo, fried bangus with tausi, adobong chicken, pork dinuguan, inihaw na liempo, pork giniling, pork estofado, chicken curry, lumpiang cheese, ginataang kalabasa at patola, sinanglaw na karne ng baka, crispy kare-kare, pork sisig, insarabasab, fried bangus, chicken afritada, ginisang ampalaya with egg, sinigang na baboy. Yun lang, bye!